construction teachers in Lane County all did a week internship at Lane Community College, learning how to build the micro shelters and these 8x8 sheds. The sheds will be for people transitioning out of homelessness. They'll go to St. Vincent de Paul. There'll be a place for someone transitioning out of homelessness to store their belongings while they are living in the micro shelters to try to transition back into more traditional style housing. So skill-wise, so you're learning residential construction skills, which are high-wage, in-demand jobs currently right now. Plus, they get to send something out for the community. And my grandfather, my dad, all have been into service learning projects, and I like doing stuff like that as well.
I feel like we're in charge. It's our project. It makes me feel like good that I'm doing something on my own and have the skills and knowledge to do it. So I'm like, dang, I'm really getting something out of this. But yeah.
Squaring, doing the flooring, that was probably the hardest. You had to make sure everything was just right. If you didn't get it in the right spot, you had to retake everything, undo everything, put it all back together.
But I'm learning a lot of framing right now, and he kind of lets us do our own thing and lets us figure it out our own. If we can't figure it out, we ask him questions, but he trusts us enough to build it.
It actually makes me feel good that I'm actually helping people that way, I can help them do that.
I love helping out the community, and it's just, I don't know, something everybody needs to do, get a part of. I mean, we're all part of it, so.
There's a lot of learning happening right now, and especially for me. So a lot of pre-planning and stuff. It's different. I've never done big stuff with students before, a lot of little projects. And so there's a lot of learning that I'm growing as well.